everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Shopify support. If you got a question about using Shopify, then you can simply go ahead and contact the Shopify support team. Simply go ahead and launch Open Shopify application from the list. Now once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now tap on the support button on the bottom left, and then this will take you to help.shopify.com. Once you end up in the help center, you can go ahead and reach out to the Shopify support by tapping on the Shopify support button over here. Now you can ask for any kind of a help or assistance. Simply go ahead and ask anything by typing it down in the text box, and you'll receive answers to your questions from Shopify Help Center. That is how you can easily reach out to Shopify support. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.